Check out this new under-screen storage for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. This item is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their car's storage space while maintaining the sleek Tesla interior design. In today's video, we're exploring a premium storage box that seamlessly enhances your vehicle's functionality. Welcome to Test Fabs. If you're new here, we're excited to have you join us. We specialize in Tesla content for the Model 3 and Model Y, so be sure to subscribe below for more updates and reviews. The installation of the storage box is incredibly simple. Just follow these easy steps. First, align the box with the gap above the wireless charging area. Next, insert the storage box, and use your thumbs to press the silicone parts on both the left and right sides. Push upwards until the box is securely mounted behind the Tesla screen. Once installed, this storage box proves to be very stable and offers ample space for small, everyday items. Installing this under-screen storage box will not affect the normal operation of the temperature sensor. It features high-quality silicone anti-skid pads with raised edges, preventing items from sliding or falling, even during acceleration or turns. As shown in the video, it remains steady and quiet, even on bumpy roads and during high-speed driving. However, it should be noted that if you install a Tesla screen swivel tilt mount, you will not be able to install this under-screen storage box. Although it's not completely hidden behind the screen, it doesn't interfere with the wireless charging area or legroom. It's also easy to remove and won't scratch the back of the Tesla screen. If you're interested, check out the product link in the description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Tesla accessory reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.